Hello, you gig workers that are independent contractors, you small business owners, and entrepreneurs. If you follow me, I've been taking the time to learn how to use Quickbooks, self-employed, plus TurboTax, self-employed. It's a bundle package that I decided to upgrade to so I can track my income and business expenses in real time, on the fly, in the moment. So at tax time, most of my info, at least 85% of my information, with a click of a button, will be sent from QuickBooks Self-Employed to TurboTax. And then I only have to manually input a little bit of information at tax time instead of all the information at tax time. Let me show you what I mean. Yesterday I bought ice packs for my insulated bags because I'm now a personal shopper, and with the help of a friend, I'm going to do another video. She brought me into the field yesterday and showed me how to use Instacart. And showed me she showed me how to use Instacart, and I'll do a video later about that. But I bought ice packs, these thin that I could put on the bottom that they stay cold for a long time, that blue. And I also bought a few other things for my car from, I think, AutoZone. But I inputted the business expense when I got back to my car. I inputted the information into QuickBooks. So at tax time, all I got to do is press a button, and QuickBooks Self-Employed sends all the information to TurboTax Self-Employed. You got to take the time to learn the apps and how to, I'm going to save a tremendous amount of time next year at tax time. Here we go. I'm in QuickBooks Self-Employed. On the bottom, I tap on Transactions, and on the top right, I tap on Reviewed. Holiday Farms, that's where we were shopping yesterday, on the North Shore. And after we finished our day, I'm going to tap on it. I purchased a couple of ice packs that I saw, thin ice packs that you can put at the bottom of the bag. That's a business expense. I bought it for my business. So when I got to the car, I entered it. Holiday Farms is who I paid, the amount of the product that I needed, the business expense, the business supply that I needed. I know it's oddball, but I need that. Category, I chose other business expense because it didn't fit perfectly underneath any other category because it's a little oddball, but it is a legit business deduction. And then I put in the note, slim pack ice, and then I also uploaded view receipt. Oh, cool. Uploaded the receipt to QuickBooks, but I'm also going to keep the receipt in an envelope. I'm used to doing that. I did that on the fly. I got to the car, I got settled, I entered the information. Business expense added to QuickBooks Self-Employed on the fly. I did the same thing with AutoZone. Let me go to Edit. AutoZone 2821, other vehicle expenses. I bought some stuff to keep my car clean. I needed a new cell phone holder, but I needed those things for my business. These are legit business deductibles for a small business owner like myself and independent contractor. I'm both. And I'm an entrepreneur too. I guess that's all I have to show you. Ooh, I wanted to show you that taking the time to learn how to do everything on the fly in real time saves a tremendous amount of time, gives you more of an understanding of where your expenses are going, your income coming in, and you learn instead of waiting to the end of the year like me, and I would be all boggled up, put all the papers together, bring it to my accountant, I could teach myself to do this. And you continue to educate yourself about, at tax time, you learn about taxes, you learn about forms, you learn about legit business expenses and what you're allowed to do and what you're not allowed to do. Instead of putting it all together for someone to enter the data, you pay them hundreds of dollars and then you stay uneducated. Those days are over for me. Running the rat race out of fear wasn't working for me anymore. I'm happy I took the time to do this. So I wanted to do this video last week, but life is busy and I had full training from my friend Melissa that I will upload a video later about, but that one's going to take a little time. She brought me on to the North Shore where she works and she showed me how to use Instacart. And again, I have to add that and create a rule in Quickbooks, self-employed, because when I receive payment from Instacart shopping, when I do complete jobs, shopping jobs, QuickBooks Self-Employed will automatically, using artificial intelligence, add it to my QuickBooks as income, so at tax time I don't have to worry about it. Everything's inputted already. It's worth learning these apps to your advantage, but you got to step back, you got to take the time, and you got to learn. Remember, anyone who offers a service, they weren't good in the beginning. Remember that. They had to learn. Any industry, they had to train themselves. They wanted it bad enough. They had to set time aside to study, build a business, become an expert in their field. You could do it too. I'll see you guys later. I'm heading out. I might do an Instacart. I'm going to turn on Instacart and do some deliveries. I'll see you later. Bye.